Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to check in on Travelocity. To check in on Travelocity, these are the detailed steps that you need to take. First off, open your web browser and visit Travelocity's website. If prompted, follow through the on-screen prompt and log in using your account credentials. Once you are logged in, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you're going to explore a couple of features to have an exciting time on Travelocity. So from this homepage, click on the trips option, which is in the top right corner of the screen, to view your upcoming and past travel plans. I do not have upcoming trips, so there's literally nothing to show here. But if you do, you're going to have all of them organized here. Alternatively, you can access your trips directly from your account dashboard. Fine. So the next thing is, under upcoming trips in this window, go ahead and locate and click on the reservation you need to check in for. Example, could be flight, hotel, or rental car. Once you click on the reservation, it's going to take you to the trip details page. On the trip details page, you will find the specific details of your reservation. If you are checking in for a flight, you will usually see a check-in button or link directly on the trip details page. If it is within the airline's check-in window, typically 24 hours before departure, click on the check-in button, and then you'll be redirected to the airline's check-in page where you can enter your information such as your flight confirmation number and personal details, including password number or frequent flyer details. Then follow the airline's check-in instructions to complete the process and receive your boarding pass. If you're checking in for a hotel, you generally need to physically go to the hotel upon arrival. Some hotels offer online check-in through Travelocity or the hotel's website, so you can confirm these in your reservation details on the My Account section of Travelocity. If online check-in is available for hotels, follow the instructions in the reservation page and you may be provided with a room key code or a QR code for a smoother check-in experience at the hotel. Now, if you're checking in for a car rental, it's simple. You typically check in at the rental location. Now, in your trip section, you can view the car rentals details and the pickup instructions. Some rental services allow online check-ins, so be sure to review your reservation for any links or options to check in prior to arrival. Ensure that all the information in your reservation is correct, which include date, time, and personal details before completing the check-in process. For flights and hotels, ensure your ID or required documents are ready when you check in. Of course, after completing the check-in process, whether online or at the location, you should receive a confirmation email or notification indicating that your check-in is successful. For flights, you receive a boarding pass, and for hotels or car rentals, you receive confirmation of your check-in. Now, for flight check-in times, ensure you check in within the airline's designated time window, typically 24 hours before the flight. For hotel policies, some hotels have self-check-in kiosks or apps for faster check-in, so be sure to check in advance. Then, car rental companies typically require you to show a valid driver's license and credit card upon picking up the vehicle. So by following the steps, you should be able to successfully check in for your trip using Travelocity. Go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.